Hey guys, normally on the anniversary of me starting my YouTube channel and making videos about my 86 and the cars that came after, I normally do like a startup video or whatnot, but I just didn't have it in me, to be honest. So let's do a video on this little interesting collectible I have. It's like you've seen this 11. That's not what matters right here. This is what matters. This is a Japanese brochure showing everything that Toyota did in 1989 involving racing. And of course, the very first thing it shows a 89 CV Minolta. So, of course, I believe that's Le Mans. And we have another one. This one's probably the 1,000 kilometers of Suzuka. Even says it, 89 CV. A nice wide shot. Look at all of that. Sauber Mercedes, Jaguar, of course Minolta Toyota. And of course we have some of the drivers here. The director of racing, Jeff Lees. But what really matters right now is this guy. This is Hitoshi Ogawa. And we will talk about him a little later. Just remember that name and the Japanese. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Let's see there. Yep. 89 CV. Oh, beautiful wide shot. 24 Hours of Le Mans. Love that livery. Minolta Toyota. Toyota Supra. And there he is again. Hitoshi Ogawa. Check out that. There's a 11 right there. The Advan 11. Spa 24 Hours. Paris-Dakar Rally. Interestingly enough, the Toyota won that earlier this year. They did a 1-2-3 finish. United States. And there's our boy, Iron Man Stewart. And Dan Gurney's race cars. At IMSA. All Japan Formula 3 Championship. There's One Make Races, which that looks like starlets. Look at all those starlets. Hey, let's go to Rally WRC in honor of the new GR Corolla and of course the Yaris ST-165. And that's all it is. And here's all the results from 1989. But I love it how it also says "fun to drive" right here. Their old slogan. But the real reason why I brought this out is we got to go back to right here. Hitoshi Ogawa. During the early parts of winter last year, I had an opportunity to purchase an item that is now the centerpiece of my Minolta camera collection and my Toyota racing collection. So let me and there we have it. We have a Minolta Racing Crest. We have Hitoshi Ogawa's name. It has his name on the inside too. This is a blazer that was given to the drivers for, you know, events where you require black tie, events where you need to have to interview and whatnot. Here's how much it cost. This particular jacket was not worn by Hitoshi Ogawa. It was made for him, but he chose not to wear it. So it spent most of its life at, well, the first part of its life at Tom's headquarters, because Tom's worked with Toyota to build the cars and whatnot. So it resided there. And then somebody bought it from them in, I think it was 1994 or 95. And then I purchased it in December. Here's some photos I took when I first got it, before I put it in this plastic. So this is the center of my racing collection. Interestingly, if you notice in the third pick, his name on the inside over the breast pocket is missing a character. It's very odd, but it's definitely his. And I'm going to continue to grow my collection, and I doubt anything's going to top this, though. It was a great opportunity, so I had to take it. So, this is A for Hachi signing off.